everybody, it's Cricket Claus, your local friendly Mrs. Claus. I am here today. We're going to be filming a earring tutorial video. So we're going to be making some earrings. We've got our little earring hooks that we're going to be using today. I got these on Amazon. These are sterling silver because I'm allergic to nickel, so I have to get very specific ones for my ears. I'm out of O-rings, so I'll show you how to make those yourself if you don't have any at home, but you can just buy them just like you would the earring pieces. You can get them at any craft store. Walmart has them even, crazy enough. Michael's, Joanne, all of those have these little pieces, the little hooks, and they also have the O-rings that you need. I just ordered these off of Amazon because I order a lot of things in bulk, and that just so happens to be what I did. So if you're interested, I'm going to get the camera positioned in where we can show you what we're doing, and I will see you on that side. All right, here we are. What I did was I went to Walmart and I got a few of these little mini ornament packs. So these are really cool. They're inexpensive and you can get a lot of them for relatively cheap. Does this look better? Okay, let's see. There's our little gingerbread man earring for you guys on TikTok. That's what he looks like. I'm going to make another one. I'm going to do the same thing with the O-ring. I'm going to make this bad boy around our gingerbread man. Make that little loop first, I think, would be best. And then attach our little earring piece to it. It's so simple. I mean, this is so easy to do that it takes very little time, and it can be pretty inexpensive to make these. You just got to pay attention when you're putting your ornament on there that it's going to face the right way when you put them on. And so we've got one for each ear now, and I think I'm going to put these on and see how they look. Oh, I'm not live on Twitch today, you guys. I'm not live on Twitch for this one. I'm just making these things on YouTube right now and doing a live on TikTok while I do it. So, all right. And there is our little gingerbread earrings. Aren't they cute? They're big. I didn't expect them to be that big when I started making them. But now I'm going to make the Christmas trees off the same ornament pack. So, honestly, we can get 2 pair of earrings off of this one thing of ornaments for the $2.48 that they cost. Now, on some of the ones that they have 3 pairs of ornaments. Or like this one, they have 4 different ornaments. So they're going to be mix and match earrings. So it really depends on what I'm wearing that day and what I'm going to be doing that day as to what earring on the rolling pins I'm going to wear. So I'm going to go ahead and snip off with my diagonal side cutters enough to make a little O-ring for the Christmas trees. I think they're cute too. So YouTube, if you like this format, I am also live on my TikTok while I do this so that I can try to get more viewers on everything. I'm trying to get everybody, make everybody happy. All right, so we made our little O-ring, and I'm going to put it on the earring holder. See, these are so easy to make, and they don't take hardly any time. So if you have a Christmas party that you're going to and you want to make your own earrings, all you got to do is go to Walmart or even Dollar Tree. I'll show you what some of those look like too. And get yourself some of those mini Christmas tree ornaments. Or even Halloween's. They have Halloween tree ornaments at my Dollar Tree. Oh, look, I put that one on backwards. You're not going to see that one very well. All right. Let me put it on the right way this time. All right. And close it back up with my little pinchers. Now, these little tools you can get at Walmart or Michael's or wherever you go and get your earring posts and your O-rings, because they sell them there. So it's going to be pretty nice, pretty easy to find what you need for that. So I'm going to close out this O-ring now that I'm making. And if you don't know what an O-ring is, it is literally, it's on the packaging. It's just a little metal ring. Uh-oh, I dropped it. And my O-ring fell off. It's over here. It's just a little piece that you can put on your jewelry to make like a link in a chain almost. All right, moving that around a little bit just to close it up. And then put it on the little earring post. So we are going to, I'll show you what these look like on in a second, as soon as I get them made. All right. Go in there, buddy. I wish I could have found my O-rings. I have a big old thing of them somewhere, but couldn't find them today for some reason. All right, let's see what those look like on my ears. Look how cute. Look how cute, the little Christmas tree. And then I've got the gingerbread man on the other side. I'm just going to leave them like that for now. So now we've got 2 pair that we made out of 1 package and some posts. So for $5, we've got 2 pairs of earrings that we wouldn't even have to, you know, use too much money for. And they're cute. So if you've got like an ugly Christmas sweater party you want to go to, or something like that, and you want to have something fun that nobody else is going to have, I doubt very many people are going to go out and make their own earrings out of Walmart Christmas tree ornaments. And those that do, you're my people. Just saying, you're my people. So we've got the Christmas tree on one ear and the gingerbread man on the other. Now, I'm going to do the same thing for these little rolling pin ornaments that I got also at Walmart. This one says hot cocoa, this one says cookies, this one says peppermint, and this one says candy canes. So I thought those were really cute. I plan on doing more of the baking with Mrs. Claus videos. I went to film one, and when I say it was a disaster, it was a disaster. So I had made sugar cookies the night before to test out the sugar cookie dough that I was going to use. And what ended up happening was I wanted to make like cinnamon roll sugar cookies. And the cinnamon roll sugar cookies called for a cinnamon roll dough or cinnamon roll butter mixture to go into them. Well, when I was making my sugar cookies and filming it for my video, I put that butter mixture in there and it messed up the formula for the actual cookies. So what happened was they puffed up too much and swelled up and made like a sheet of cookie. And I could have iced that and called it a cookie cake. It was a mistake. I could have made it into something else, but I didn't. And I should have. All right. So I made an O-ring like I did for the last 2, and then for the last 2 pairs. Then I put my little hook on, and now I've got a little rolling pin earring. Cute little rolling pin earring. I'm going to make another one. Now, if you don't go and buy these ornaments from Walmart that are like this, these are fun, but you don't have to necessarily use just these. I did get some of the ornaments that are on my backdrop here on my Christmas trees. I got those off of Temu or Temu, however you say it. What was it that they called it during the Super Bowl? That was the first time I actually heard a commercial for it. Temu, whatever it's called. The unethical website. And I know stuff's cheap on there and it's sourced most likely unethically. But when you're broke like me, sometimes you have to do things a certain way. So I'll show you what I did with those. Now, it's the same concept. Let me grab them. It's the same concept. Basically, you take an ornament, you put a little O-ring on it. Now, this one I had O-rings for, so I made them before. And you make little ornament ball earrings. And those are really cute, too. I like those. These were, I think I got 100 ornaments for like $5. But you can get the little plastic ornaments at Walmart for mini Christmas trees that are even smaller than these are. And they make really good earrings. Christmas bells work well as well. So if you want to annoy everyone that works with you by wearing Christmas bells, I used to love doing that. I would highly recommend getting some bells, which you can also get at the Dollar Tree, and make earrings out of those. I probably have more Christmas earrings than any other jewelry that I wear because I just have so much fun with making these little ornaments into earrings. So I don't particularly spend that much time making other jewelry because I'm Mrs. Claus. What else am I going to wear? Now, I do have some other pieces here that can be used as well in conjunction with these. Say you wanted to add a little something something to your jewelry. You can get beads and add beads to them. Like, say I wanted to add beads to this one. I have these little, I'm dropping them. I have these little beads that are shiny and pink, like this rolling pin, and I could add those onto a little O-ring or a little post and hang them from this O-ring as well to make a little more pizzazz if I wanted to. But that's just too much work right now, if I'm being honest. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish off this last earring, and then I'll show you what the rolling pins look like in the ear, because I think they're going to be super cute. Alright, now see, I made the little O-rings too big on these. That's why I'm snipping off some of the wire that I used. And I will put those on as soon as I get this one done. And y'all can see the little rolling pin earrings. And I would say, I didn't close it up enough, but I would say this is probably one of the easiest tutorials I've ever done on this channel. And I think you guys will love making these, especially if you have littles that you want to do this with. It's so much fun. And then they had these really cool little unicorn ornaments at Walmart, and then they had dinosaurs, and I thought those would make cute earrings too, Christmas dinosaur earrings. So it's a fun little experiment you can do with your kiddos. I'm going to do a red one and a white one on the rolling pins and see how they look. I think they're super cute. So there's those. I think they came out great. And I hope you enjoyed this video because it was fun to make it. And it's fun to make these. So Let me know how you did, and if you do this, by all means, go on the @CricketClaus Instagram and tag me in your photos of you making these earrings. So have a good day, and I love you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.